You have actually changed my life. When I was in a place of darkness, you showed me the way to light. Because of you, I found brotherhood and a sense of purpose. We don't go to the gym to lift weights. We go because the weights lift us.
एक भूख सी दिल में उठती है, एक दर्द जिगर में होता है, हम रात को उठ उठ रोते हैं जब सारा आलम सोता है.
I wanted to vanish so completely that even I would not remember me. No feelings, no memories, just the freedom of oblivion.
Estoy trabajando en tres cosas en este momento: en mí mismo, mi vida y mi paz. Así que si no estás contribuyendo hacia cualquiera de los tres, respetuosamente, no me molestes.
नशा पिला के गिराना तो सबको आता है, मजा तो तब है कि गिरते को थाम ले सब. सौ बार चमन महका, सौ बार बहार आई, दुनिया की वही रौनक, दिल की वही तन्हाई.
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ, मुझे नहीं जरूरत दो पल के सहारों की.
नो इफ करीदा नो बट करीदा, कम यारां दा नी बिलो चट पट करीदा, पहले करीदी नी दूज टू मच करीदा, हड दुखदा सयाली जेड़ा टच करीदा. नो इफ करीदा.
I'm going to be testing how many reps I can get on 80, and I have my cameraman here. We've got about 17. I can let you know when we're done. Keep it real, Bo. I love you. We'll be testing how many reps we can get. Do you have any motivational words?
In this world we need corruption or the river will flow.
Can you sing it? No. Can you sing it?
No, we can't.
That was 2 reps because Bo Wood distracted me. Can you just flip it to Bo Wood? Can you flip it to Bo Wood actually? Interview on Bo Wood coming soon. Follow for what I don't know actually.
If you don't have the motivation to go to the gym, always remember this quote: if the mind can dream, you're a bitch.